Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we will tell you how to make this dinosaur. So let's get started using origami tricks. So we will take a sheet of paper and then start making. So see, you can see the steps for the dinosaur. So see, we have made this triangle and now we'll tear it from here. So just we'll tear it using a scale. So see, we have teared this and now we'll open it and make the other triangle and just flat the surface. So now we'll again open it and then just fold the square into half. And open and then to the opposite side. After this method, we'll make the diamond shape. So see, you can see these both triangles. We'll push them from inside and make a diamond. See, like this. And then we'll flatten up the surface. And then see, you can see we'll fold this like this into a cone shape like this. And same step from back. Now we'll fold this to the first side. You can fold it anywhere, wherever you want, at right or left, and then fold it at left, because you have to fold it at both sides. Now we'll open it and then you can see the steps how we will open it. So see, we showed you like this. We'll open it and just make like this two-sided triangle cone. So see, we'll did it like this and we'll open it. Again we'll do, see, we'll just thread this up and then make the triangles like this and then fold it again. Now see, we'll open it and then we'll make a cone at the upside and then at the opposite side, and then we'll see, we'll again make like this shape, then fold it, straight dimensionate it. Now our one wing is left, that is at the downside. Now see, we are making the peak of it. Now see, further we'll make the hands of it. Now we'll fold it this side and then at the opposite side. Go. And now just we'll crumple it from inside and make the legs. So see, we'll stretch it inside, and then we'll flip it over in the together position. Then we'll open it. We'll see, make a triangle kind of a thing. And then see, after these steps, it is ready, but we have to do one thing more. Now we'll paste it with Fevicol. Otherwise, it will run here and there. And just press it a little. And then from the other side, and just fold it. Then see, we'll make it stand. If it doesn't stand, so you can put a tape under it so that it get a smoothie surface. So see, with it we made 2 dinosaurs, and see, they are even so cute. See. So goodbye and enjoy. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.